Okay, we can remove the hinge lock for cleaning due to if any sand or debris happens to get inside of the hinge lock, causing it to stick at all. And how we do that is we can open the tripod leg and gain access to the 2.5mm Allen key screw. And if we just undo the screw, I find it easier just to use a magnet, or we can also use long nose pliers to remove the screw, like so. And once the screw is removed, you should be able to just remove the hinge lock cover. Then get our long nose pliers. Remove the button as well. And what we're trying to do is we can use compressed air if it's available, or a soft brush, and we can just brush inside, trying to remove any sand or debris. And also we can work the hinge lock as well using a flat-bladed screwdriver. So if we just work the hinge lock up and down, this should aid in removing any debris. Should then drop out of the bottom of the lock. Once we're happy it's all clean, we can then refit our spring with the button, refit our cover. Once we've refitted the hinge lock, just need to check its operation. So put the leg right up to the horizontal position, and it should click back down in 3 positions. 1, 2, 3.